All right, welcome back. So in this lecture, we're going to talk about how to edit contents inside the layer panels. So if there is a layer here, for example, layer 2, if I wanted to edit the contents of layer 2, I'd click on the menu at the top and select a layer. Actually, let's go to layer 7. Let's see if it'll let me do this. Go to the little menu up here in the layers panel and then go to edit contents. And what that's going to do is it's going to let you edit here. So if I wanted to make this green, I could do it there and then hit Control S to save. And what we're doing is we're working inside of layer 7. Okay, so if I close that, now layer 7 is green because we edited the contents inside of layer 7. So hit Control S to save. That's how you edit contents in Photoshop layers. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lecture.